Shakker AI is a premium hub for AI image generation models, offering advanced tools to create, edit, and transform visual content using AI. So we're going to dive right into this here. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. The first thing we can see here is we've got 4 different tabs. We've got the AI generator, we've got the A1111 web UI. Not quite sure what that is. You can use this as part of Comfy UI, which is a workflow sort of creator for different large language models and for creating content and doing research. And then you can also train a LoRa, which is where you train a image or video generation model on your particular likeness or the likeness of anyone in particular. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight into the AI generator and see what this gives us. Okay, cool. So it's telling us we can start here with a prompt. We can choose what model we want to use. We can also use enhanced models to enhance specific styles, elements, characters. We can also use image to image as well, which is pretty cool. And then there's advanced mode. And yeah, I can always restart that intro guide there. So let's say I want to create a lion, and this is one I've used before, riding a motorcycle. What I'll do is I'll actually leave this improve prompt button here on. So it's actually going to optimize the prompt before it actually gives it to the large language model. And yeah, I'm going to click generate. So if we look here on the right, you can select the image size. And you can also select the image reference if you've got one. You can select the depth and the edge. Obviously, these are a bit more technical. You don't necessarily have to. But let's see what we get here. Okay, cool. These are nice. This looks like a pretty renegade, and we've got this interesting style as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to improve this prompt slightly myself. 3 things I think should always be in all image prompts are lighting, angles, and also dimensions if you can't set that manually. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to say the lighting should be cinematic and the angle should be wide. Let's see what we get from this. You can also select the number of images you want to create, which is quite useful. As you can see, you can select from 1, 2, 3, 4, or 8. Okay, interesting. Yeah, this is definitely a bit more cinematic than this. Cool, nice. It's actually pretty interesting. I think I like this one the most. What we can do with this is we can actually vary it. We can make it subtle or strong. We can change the kind of style that we want. We can also inpaint things or upscale them. So for example, let's say I want to inpaint something in here. Okay, cool. And then I can select what I want to do with this inpaint. So I want to change this head to a zebra. Let's go for this. Okay, interesting. Well, this hasn't quite changed it into well, I mean, we've got a few different variations. The zebra isn't quite there. Got another different kind of line. So I think this has still got some bugs, but it's definitely worth looking into. I think I'll keep this one here. And you can also upscale your image as well, which I think is pretty cool. So let's say I want to upscale this 4 more times. I'm going to click upscale, see what we get. You can see he's got this massive ear sticking out. Okay, cool. So as you can see, this is upscaled it quite nicely. Wow, we've definitely got a whole lot more definition on this guy's face and his massive ear. Cool, so it's definitely worth giving this a go. You can also outpaint things as well if you actually wanted to expand certain images. Cool, so once you've upscaled your image, you can also move it around in this mood board here of images you've generated. You can also enlarge your images, move it around on this mood board that you've created here. And yeah, just keep creating some more and potentially create a storyboard or a mood board of images that you find appealing or that you are going to use for a personal or professional project. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.